So we've all seen advertisements of Sachin Tendulkar, Shikhar Dhawan, Dhoni and Rohit Sharma saying,
म्यूचुअल फंड सही है.
but we also hear them saying,
Mutual funds are subject to market risk.
so what do we do? Do we invest or not? Let me make an offer. Let's say you have to invest 5,000 every month for a period of 25 years. And in return, I'll give you 1.62 crores at the end of that 25 years. So would you take that offer? Absolutely yes. Because you're getting 1.62 crores in return for just an investment of 15 lakhs. That too over a period of 25 years. So this type of investing is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. This is where you invest small amounts of money over a period of time. Now that we've established mutual funds here, let's understand mutual funds kya hai. Let's be honest, most of us don't have the time or knowledge required to search and analyze good investment opportunities. So what do? We can't just save our money in rice boxes or under saris like most of our grandparents or parents did. Because we want to put our money to work and we want it to grow. So the smart thing would be for all of us to come together and pull in small amounts of money and trust a fund manager to manage that pool of money. This fund manager invests that pool of money in different shares and securities. So when you're buying one unit of mutual fund, you're actually investing in a diverse group of companies. This is similar to buying a fruit basket. Now, Dhoni and Sachin might be interested in a lower risk investment than compared to Rohit and Dhawan. So, just based on this, mutual funds can be mainly classified into two types, that is debt and equity. Equity mutual funds invest a major part of their funds in shares of companies. They try generating a high rate of return. For the same reason, the risk is also comparatively higher. On the other hand, debt mutual funds invest in securities which generate a stable rate of return. And so the risk is also less. And this is the end of mutual funds kya hai. So the next question is how to choose a mutual fund. On a broad note, you can select a mutual fund based on your risk appetite and the kind of return you're expecting. What exactly to look for while comparing and selecting mutual funds? Mainly there are three things. First one being the track record, that is CAGR. Second is expense ratio, and third is exit load. I'll try explaining these terms with two of my favorite mutual funds. The first thing, look at the track record of the mutual funds, that is past performance. This can be seen by checking CAGR of the funds. CAGR is nothing but the annualized total return. So CAGR can be compared for 1, 2, 3 and 5 years. The percentages on the screen are for 5 years. Second being the expense ratio. This is nothing but the fees charged by your fund manager to manage your pool of money. This is like an annual subscription. Lastly, exit load. This is fees charged for premature redemption of your investment. Congratulations, now we are equipped with enough knowledge to select a good mutual fund and make your money work for you. If you think this video was helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel.